Ever wonder why low-carb diets are so popular? It's not just a trend, there's real science behind why reducing carbs can impact your body. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of low-carb eating, exploring how it works and what it does to your metabolism. In this video, we'll break down the basics of carbohydrate metabolism, explain how low-carb diets shift your body's fuel source, and discuss the surprising hormonal effects. We'll also touch on some interesting facts about how your body adapts to burning fat instead of sugar. Get ready to understand the why behind the low-carb lifestyle. So, what happens when you drastically reduce carbs? Your body's primary fuel source shifts. Normally, we rely on glucose, derived from carbohydrates, for energy. When carbs are scarce, your body taps into stored fat. This process, called ketogenesis, produces ketones, which become an alternative fuel source for your brain and body. Think of it like switching from gasoline to diesel. Your engine still runs, but with a different fuel. A key benefit of low-carb eating is its impact on insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps glucose enter your cells. High-carb diets constantly trigger insulin release, potentially leading to insulin resistance over time. By reducing carbs, you lower insulin levels, which can improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and even support weight management. It's a powerful hormonal shift. Did you know that the ketogenic diet, a very low-carb approach, was originally developed in the 1920s to treat epilepsy? Researchers observed that fasting reduced seizures, and the ketogenic diet mimicked this effect. Furthermore, studies show that low-carb diets can improve cholesterol levels and even benefit brain health by providing a more stable energy source for the brain. It's a truly remarkable adaptation. To recap, low-carb eating shifts your body's fuel source from glucose to fat, lowers insulin levels, and can offer a range of health benefits. It's a scientifically backed approach to nutrition that many find effective. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health and nutrition content.